We are about to harvest our carrots. As you can see, it's already growing out. So we're gonna take it out. I'm scared. Move back, boo, just in case some jump out of here. I'm scared. So this is the baby carrots that I just harvested. It was only 2 in this container. I was supposed to put this in the ground a long time ago, so I knew that if I would have left it inside the pot, that it was just gonna be baby carrots. And look, y'all. Because of the watermelon, so we put lettuce to make a salad. So this is what I have so far from the garden. We're gonna take some basil. Making a salad for tonight, y'all. And we're getting kale and lettuce. This is lettuce. I think this is kale. What else? Like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna cut some more of this basil, y'all, because we got so much basil. Thank God. This is what we have, and these are some baby carrots that I had growing inside the pot. I never did put this in the ground, so it didn't fully grow to its full extent. But I believe, is it this that's lettuce seeds? Yes, y'all, these are lettuce seeds. So lettuce seeds grow on these plants, and I just figured it out. So yeah. Okay. So from our garden, I'm trying to get it before the bugs try to come get it. So I'm so excited. I said that I want to start growing food in my backyard, and now look at me cutting food from my backyard, or harvesting food from my backyard. So happy. Tell yourself what you want, and then just go after it. That's what you do. Like, all of this is lettuce, y'all. I'm so scary. I'm like the scariest person because I don't want bugs to get on me. This is all lettuce in the bag. So I'm just trying to get some. I just want some. I don't want a bug to jump over me or anything. And I want enough salad. We're gonna clip some lettuce from our bowls or our pots. And we're gonna get some kale. We're gonna get some parsley. Alright, so this is what we have so far. We're gonna take a little bit basil. As you can see, y'all, we have a lot of basil, thank God. Basil. Get some lettuce. Look like something I've already been trying to eat this lettuce. So we're gonna get our lettuce. And this stuff is gonna regrow. So this is what we have from the garden. I'm so happy all of this came from my garden. Look at the baby carrot.